If you're a total beginner, you might go through a pretty long phase that you don't feel the target muscle working. Honestly, it took me a very long time until I finally feel my chest doing the work. So before that feeling shows up, how do you know you're actually doing that exercise correctly? In today's video, I'm giving you a beginner-friendly checklist you can literally check off. No perfect form needed. If your reps pass these checks, you can train with way more confidence. What correct means as a beginner? Sometimes all the details of right form can feel overwhelming. But as a beginner, correct doesn't mean looking like a fitness influencer who's always pumped. And it doesn't mean you must hit full range of motion for every single rep. A pain-free range that you can control is perfect to start with. You only need to focus on 3 things: safe, controlled, repeatable. If you can control the same version of a rep consistently, that's progress. The 6-step beginner checklist. Check 1. Setup. Is your starting position stable? Before you even start, check this. Are you stable? And are you set up evenly, left and right? With standing exercises, you'll find more stable if your feet are around your shoulder width or hip width, even if you're doing your upper body exercise. With machines, take a second to adjust the seats or pads to fit your height. With seated or lying down exercises, try 5-point contact: head, upper back, lower back or butt, left foot, right foot. Just imagine you're glued to the machine or bench. The more stable, the better. Check 2. Control. Is the weight too heavy? Before your working sets, try slow tempo test for 2 reps. 2 seconds down, 1 second pause, 2 seconds up. If you have trouble slowing down, then you're not in control yet. You might want to lower the weight. Check 3. Alignment. Are your key joints lined up? Good alignment reduces a lot of joint stress. For example, when you squat or on a leg press machine, your knees should generally track in the same direction as your toes. And when you're on a chest press machine or you're holding on the dumbbells or barbells, don't let your wrists bend back. Try to keep your fist and your forearm in a straight line so you don't put too much pressure there. Check 4. Range. Is your range of motion consistent? If you're aiming for 8 reps in total, do your last 3 reps look the same? If your range keeps shrinking or you notice that you're trying to rush through the last few reps, it usually means the weight is too heavy or you're too tired. You want to either lower the weight or extend your break. Check 5. Compensation. Is your body swinging everywhere? Compensation means you're using other parts of your body instead of your target muscle to cheat during a movement. If your body is rocking, your shoulder is shrugging, your lower back is arching or twisting, that's usually not working hard, that's compensation. For example, I see this a lot in the gym. On the lat pull-down machine, some people like to go really heavy and use their body weight and momentum to move the handle instead of stay under control. That is usually ego lifting. For beginners, it's way more important that to slow down, stay under control, and learn your muscle working. Check 6. Body signals. Is this pain-free? Here is your traffic light system. No more fatigue or muscle soreness? Okay. A joint feels weird, stuck, or off? Adjust right away. Go lighter, less range of motion, or switch to a different exercise. Sharp pain, numbness, tingling, or dizziness, stop immediately. Here's a quick audit. Let's run the checklist step by step. If you don't feel the target muscle yet, it doesn't mean that you're doing your exercise wrong. Use this checklist to make sure your reps are safe, controlled, and repeatable. Over time, that mind-muscle connection will kick in. And if you want a little boost, I made this video to help you feel that aha moment. Take your time. I will see you in the next rep.